Yesterday, Bitcoin has been seeing this breakdown below this symmetrical triangle and has been seeing a perfect rejection from this level of resistance. But right now, Bitcoin has once again gotten back up, got supported by this level over here, and is right now creating a new breakout pattern. So we need to be talking about that exactly. Do not get fooled right now. Bitcoin is getting squeezed in. We need to be talking about that exactly, about that next big Bitcoin move. So can we once again push up the likes back above the 100 likes? That would be absolutely amazing. And as always, let's have a look into what's that short term. And yes, my Bitcoin trade is still perfectly running in. That is looking very good. Now in that short term, Bitcoin is getting a little bit of a cool off like we've been talking about. Bitcoin is running in towards massive levels of resistance. I've been talking about this level for the past couple of days. And yes, it was to be expected to see a little bit of a rejection from of this level, a little bit of a short-term relief, and maybe a little bit of a rejection. And yes, right now in that short term, Bitcoin is actually creating a new consolidation pattern right over here with a breakout going to be inevitable by today. Now, in my opinion, I do think that a little bit more of a consolidation and maybe even a breakdown is going to be pretty likely. I just think that we are not going to be breaking above this level of resistance very easily. And we could still be seeing some more further consolidation and a further squeeze inside in between of these levels over here. Because yes, Bitcoin is also creating a massive level of support right over here where we have also been talking about. And also do keep in mind that currently we are trading on a Friday. Tomorrow it is once again going to be a weekend, so probably volatility is going to be lowered. And yeah, we are just going to be consolidating, still getting squeezed in further inside of these two levels. But one thing is going to be for certain, this is going to be the most important level of support, and this is going to be the most important level of resistance to right now be breaking above. Now, this could be pretty fun to have a look into what's right now in the short term. Definitely, if we are going to be seeing this break towards the upside, I do think that we could still be getting another push towards the upside, but in my opinion, I do not think it is going to be likely. Maybe we can be seeing it next week happening, whenever we are not going to be trading inside of this weekend anymore. Now, anyways, eventually, I do think we are going to be seeing this break towards the upside, because having a look into what's the Bitcoin charts, it is just looking so bullish. First of all, we are getting a break back above our range over here. Second of all, we are trading inside of this uptrend over here, and each and every single time, whenever Bitcoin has broken inside of an uptrend, we have, sustained that uptrend for quite a while, and whenever it broke in towards the downtrend, we have also sustained the downtrend for quite a while. So right now, we are once again breaking in towards an uptrend. Definitely, I think that higher prices are going to be inevitable, just like this breakout towards the upside right over here. Continuation is going to be inevitable. Now, in that short term, we can be seeing a little bit of a short-term breather. That is definitely going to be very healthy and very common, but eventually, I do think that we are going to be headed even higher. Now we are also breaking above this a major trend over here, definitely looking very good. This is going to be the most important level of resistance to be breaking above. Of course, like we have been talking about right over here, this level is just confluencing. This golden pocket Fibonacci level of resistance is going to be the level to be breaking above. Anyways, yes, this bullish divergence for Bitcoin is starting to play out, looking very good. History is right now repeating, with this gap being filled right over here, just like it did over here. And right now we are getting our move towards the upside. Definitely looking very good, breaking above our EMA ribbons right over here. Once again, history is being repeated right over here. Now, this is where it gets very interesting, because the Bitcoin funding rates are still trading extremely low, and this is definitely looking very good. And if we are going to be comparing this towards our last cycle, we can actually start to see something very interesting, because these Bitcoin funding rates actually move in waves, right? Just like it did in the previous cycle, and we actually created some kind of a triangle pattern right over here. Right now we are doing the same exact thing, but that triangle pattern, well, it just got ended before the huge parabolic move towards the upside. Right now it is looking to be ending right over here, right in this triangle pattern. So we might be creating our second and biggest wave right now. So from of this moment, Bitcoin might be going absolutely parabolic on this scale over here. So that might be looking very good. Anyways, yes, these Bitcoin funding rates are right now looking extremely bullish in my opinion. They are still trading very low. So yeah, looking very good. Still, I do think that July is going to be a very bullish month for Bitcoin. Perfectly bouncing from off this level of support over here, just like it did over here and just like it did over here. Looking very good now. Anyways, guys, if you are going to be getting interested in trading yourself as well, definitely make sure to be checking out that link down below. Because with that link down below, you can right now be claiming this $500 trade on either Bitcoin or on these altcoins. All you need to do is click on that link down below, this link over here, then sign up a new account over on Bybit, deposit $100 and then claim your free trade. So definitely take advantage of that, a free trade which you can be opening right now. Also with this massive opportunity coming up anytime soon, so definitely make sure to be checking it out. Anyways, on that larger time frame, it is still looking very, very good with this larger term, Bitcoin bull flag pattern being created, with this megaphone pattern being created on the weekly time frame. This structure over here is just looking very bullish, very beautiful accumulation. Continuation, right over here some consolidation, right now a bigger consolidation, a deviation, and right now we are once again headed back up. Definitely looking very good. And also if you are going to be having a look into what's this chart, this cycle is still looking very similar to the cycle of 2017, and right now we are just at the time of trying to be breaking above that previous all-time high right now. So yeah, on-chain indicators looking absolutely similar. It is still looking like we have much more momentum left towards the upside. Definitely still looking very good if we are going to be having a look into towards these charts. Also from of this moment, from the past, you can be seeing that each and every single time from this moment onwards, well, the halving effect tends to kick in. So yeah, that is looking very good. The Bitcoin whales are right now accumulating at this current moment, and this is pretty interesting because Bitcoin ordinals were actually very hyped just a few months ago. Right now they are just back at these stages, at these early stages right over here. So is right now once again going to be the time to be accumulating these Bitcoin ordinals? Well, I definitely do think that the hype is going to be returning in this bull market. So if this hype is going to be returning in this bull market, well, right now might be a good time to be accumulating some ordinals, right? So yeah, this is going to be pretty interesting to be having a look into what's in the coming few weeks. Right now I'm not buying very actively anymore, but this is definitely something which is worth watching. Anyways, guys, with that being said, make sure to be following me over on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.